your eyes and say the prayer along with me. Shuklam Bharadaram Vishnu Shashivarnam Chaturbhujam Prasannavadanam Dhyayet Sarva Vignopa Shantaye. Yes, children, in the previous class we have completed the worksheet number 1 and also from 1 to 4 lesson we have completed. So today I am going to teach you the lesson number 5. But before starting that lesson, I would like to ask you some questions, okay? Can you answer me? You have any favorite sportsman? And which sports do you like most? Which sports? It may be cricket, football, volleyball, running, kabaddi, kho-kho. There are so many types of sports are there, games. Which one do you like? For example, cricket. If you like cricket, means assume that. So, who is your favorite cricketian? Who is your favorite sportsman in the cricket game? There are so many good sportsmen are there, isn't it? They may be the inspiration to so many persons, so many peoples. So, who is your role model? Can you tell me some sportsman's name? For example, see here, if you take the tennis means Sania Mirza, and the badminton PV Sindhu, and for running race the PT Usha is famous, and for the cricket Sachin Tendulkar. The most famous person in the cricket is Sachin Tendulkar, isn't it? There are so many. Virat Kohli is there, Mahendra Dhoni, Sourav Ganguly, Rahul Dravid, so many. There are so many people are there. So there are mainly some inspiration persons in that. You all might have thinking that why teacher is telling about the sports and the games and the sportsmen. Because sorry, here the lesson number 5, the indomitable Mary Kom. Who is Mary Kom? Have you heard the name of Mary Kom? Recently, she won the which competition? The boxing. In the boxing game, she is the famous Mary Kom, the lady boxer. Yes. So, this lesson is about the Mary Kom. So, let us begin. Let us begin. Look at the pictures of these Indian sports persons. Match the pictures with the names. So here there are 4 sport persons names have given, and also they have given the pictures of sports person. Okay, there are 4 pictures are there in your textbook. Okay, see it here. There are 4 sports persons are there. So first one, who is that? Who is that first one? The first person is Vijayendra Singh. The first one is Vijayendra Singh. And the second one is, who is second person here? The second one is Geet Sethi. Geet Sethi. Okay. And third and fourth, there are 2 women sport persons. Who is that? The third one is Deepika Pallikar. The third one is Deepika Pallikar. And the fourth one is remaining. Who is that? She is the famous for tennis. That is Sania Mirza. Sania Mirza. Have you seen the Sania Mirza? You all have seen in the sports, isn't it? In the tennis game, you have seen the Sania Mirza. She is the famous sportswoman in the tennis. Okay, so this is the brief introduction about the sports and the sports persons. So, shall we start the lesson? That is the indomitable Mary Kom. Mary Kom. So, have you seen the Mary Kom? Have you seen? Here, every time one hears the name Mary Kom, one can hear people cheering for India's boxing queen to strike that final knockout punch and raise her arms in glory. Here, every time one hears the name Mary Kom, one can hear people cheering for India's boxing queen to strike that final knockout punch and raise her arms in the glory. Means, have you seen the boxing competition? For example, you might have seen in the WWF, the two persons were doing boxing by putting the boxing gloves into their hands. Yes. So here, every time one can hear the Mary Kom's name because she used to win in the what? In the boxing game. Okay. So here one can hear people cheering for India's boxing queen to strike that final knockout punch. Here the Mary Kom is telling that India's boxing queen. Here the one adjective word they have given to her is boxing queen. Who is the boxing queen? That is none other than the Mary Kom. So, strike that final knockout punch means that is the final stage of the boxing, final point of the boxing, the final knockout punch. Only one punch is required for the winning, for the glory. So, and raise her arms in glory. At the end of the boxing game, what we call it as the umpire, the one person who is standing to judge that game, he used to raise her arms in the glory. Means what happens in the boxing game when the two persons are boxing, who wins that competition, they used to raise their hands in the glory. Okay. Nicknamed Magnificent Mary. Here the Mary Kom is nicknamed as the Magnificent Mary. MC Mary Kom is a household name all over the country. She is the household name, means ellara mane maatagidru yaru Mary Kom, and also there is a nickname for Mary Kom, that is Magnificent Mary. What the people used to call her? Magnificent Mary. This is the nickname. You need to remember this name. So what do you mean by Magnificent Mary? Magnificent andrenu? Mary andre her name. Her name is Mary. What do you mean by magnificent? Magnificent means an impressive and a good, very impressive and beautiful. Magnificent means here very impressive and beautiful. And beautiful. The meaning of magnificent. Here, this is the nickname of Mary Kom. Next, dear students, turn the page number 31, that is Mary Kom born into a poor family in a Kangatai village of rural Manipur. Mary helped her parents by working in the fields. Here, where the Mary Kom was born, she was born up into a poor family, means not a middle class family and not to that high level or a rich family. She born in the poor family, means ಒಂದು ಬಡ ಮನೆತನದಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರು ಹುಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು. In Kangatai village of rural Manipur. The village name is Kangatai. It is in where it is there? It is there in the Manipur state. Mary helped her parents by working in the fields. Means here they have mentioned that she was born in the poor family, so she used to help her parents in the fields. As a school girl, Mary participated in all types of sports including volleyball, football and athletics. Sorry, yes children, see here, as a school girl means during the Mary Com's childhood, during the school days, she used to participated in all types of sports, not only one famous or one favorite sport. She participated in all types of sports. It may be volleyball, football and athletics. Athletics, what do you mean by athletics? Individual sports, we call it as the athletic games. ವೈಯಕ್ತಿಕವಾಗಿ ಆಡುವ ಆಟಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವೇನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ athletics ಅಂತ. So here in an interview she narrated that her parents wanted her to be well educated but she was only interested in sports. Here her parents wanted her to become a well educated person but she was more interested in the sports. She was not interested in the education. She is showing her interest towards the sports. She would often be the only girl playing with the boys on the field. Here in the Manipur state, she is the only one often girl who plays more often with the boys. Means this Mary Com, what she used to do? She used to play with the boys also in the field. The boys would sometimes try to avoid playing with her. They would tell her to go home and complete household chores, but she would insist on playing. Here, all were the boys and the only one girl was there, that is Mary Com. The boys were refused, would sometimes try to avoid playing with her. Means only one girl used to play with them, means how they feel. That's why they refused to play with her and they used to say that go to home and do the household works. ಹೋಗ ಮನೆ ಕೆಲಸವನ್ನ ಮಾಡು, ನಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆ ಆಡಬೇಡ ಅಂತಂದು ಆ ಒಂದು ಬಾಯ್ಸ್ ಟೀಮ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು, ರೆಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು. ಬಟ್ she would insist on playing. ಅವಳು ಅದನ್ನ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ. She would insist on playing. Insist means to say very firmly that something must happen or must be done. ಅವಳೇನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೋ, ಇಲ್ಲ ನಾನು ಆಡೋಳಂದ್ರೆ ಆಡೋಳೆ. She used to stick to that playing. She used to interested to play with the boys. Mary discovered her passion for boxing after being inspired by the gold medal win of Manipur boxer Dinku Singh at the Bangkok Asian Games in 1998. Here, when the Mary was discovered her boxing qualities, here she is interested in all the games during her childhood. But when passion for boxing after being inspired by the gold medal win Manipur boxer, there was one sportsman who won the gold medal in the boxing competition. That person name is Dinku Singh. Dinku Singh at the Bangkok Asian Games. In the Bangkok Asian Games 1998, he won the gold medal. Sorry children. Okay. Here, passion means a strong interest. Strong interest, we call it as the passion. Here, undoubted by the hurdles she had to cross, she started training under young Narjit Singh, who was the Manipur state boxing coach at Imphal. She was a quick learner and gritty fighter. Here, children, see here, undaunted by the hurdles she had to cross means there were so many hurdles. That too, she was born in the poor family. Being a girl, no one is allowed to do the boxing, isn't it? So in that hurdles across, she crossed that all hurdles, that all troubles. Finally, she started training under. She was joined for the training class under the M. Narjit Singh, the trainer. The trainer name is M. Narjit Singh, who was the Manipur State boxing coach at Impal. He is the boxing coach at Impal. Impal is the what? Capital of the Manipal. The Manipal state capital is Impal, means Rajdhani. Like how the Bangalore is the capital of the Karnataka, like that the Impal is also the capital of Manipur. Here the boxing coach at Impal, she was a quick learner. Who? The Mary Kom was a quick learner, means because she is very much interested. She is having a passion towards the boxing and a gritty fighter. Gritty means what? Firm in her thoughts and wishes. She is firm. She wished that she used to achieve something in the boxing competition. She used to stand in the boxing competition. She have a great desires towards the boxing. So that's why she is a quick learner. Yes, students, see here. Next, turn the page number 32. Within a year, she started winning national and international awards and titles. Here, when she trained up for the boxing, later on what happens, within a year, she started winning national and international awards and titles. Innu 1 year agilla avಳು boxing anna kaltu. Within a year means below the 1 year, she started winning a national and international. She won so many competition during the national level and international levels, and also she got so many titles. Title means ಬಿರುದುಗಳು ಅಥವಾ nickname ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ, that we call it as the titles. In the one title I have told you, that is Magnificent Mary. So like that she received so many titles and the awards. When she started boxing, Mary kept it a secret from her parents. Here, when she started boxing, when finally she became the perfect in the boxing, so she kept secret, means she never tell these all things in front of her parents. She hide that secret. It was only when her photograph appeared in a newspaper after she won the state boxing championship in 2000 that she told them that she was a boxer. Until the name was appeared in the newspaper, she kept that a secret only from her parents. So when her name came into the newspaper, then the parents come to know that, oh, she is practicing and she is participated in the boxing competition. That time she revealed that, yes, I am a boxer. That time she revealed her secret. When that news was appeared on the newspaper, after she won the state boxing championship in 2000, during the 2000 she won the competition. State boxing champion means state level, she won the competition. That she told them that she was a boxer. Then she told her parents that she was a boxer. She knew her parents would not like her to take up a sport that could lead to serious injuries. She knew means no, idra past tense knew. She avlige gottittu, Mary Komge gottittu that her parents would not like her to take up sport that could lead to serious injuries. Means in the boxing means it is not a easy game. You might have seen in the sports channels that they may get so much injuries, heavy injuries. They never care about their bodies in the boxing game. They will punch it everywhere in the body. Isn't it? It is very terrible game. We can say that terrible game. So like that, if any parents wish that every child or every children should be good in health and be fit, isn't it? So nobody wants to get the injuries in the sports game. So if the sports is like the to get injuries, means why we want that type sports? So the parents used to refuse that. This thing was knew that the Mary Kom was knew that this thing and lead to serious injuries. What the parents think she knew that. Okay children, still here I have told you the lesson. And in your textbook there is a picture is here. She is the Mary Kom. You might have seen her, and this is the situation, and this is the picture of during the boxing game. Like this, the whole body is what? Protected by the shields, some hand gloves, isn't it? And for the teeth, they will put one cap. This is the boxing game, and the fighting between the two boxers, we call it as the boxing game. Till now I have told you the half of the lesson. Remaining will continue in the next class. Read the lesson and make a new words. Okay children, thank you.